Hello and welcome back to the next part of our funk song production tutorial. This time I would like to show something different. I came to the conclusion that not everyone out there can play the keyboard very well, so what I'm going to show today is a way to create a funk track without or nearly without moving your fingers, just by playing chords. And for this purpose we are using virtual instrumentalists. That is, we are using a virtual drummer, which is here. We are using a virtual guitarist, which is located here, using real strat. And we are also using a virtual bass guitar player, which is represented by a VST plugin called Broomstick Bass. Okay, we start with the drums. And for this purpose, without any special reason, I just took one of the swing beats, which sounded quite funky, synchronized it to the host, to Cubase, and synchronize it also to the Cubase tempo. So whenever we start the track, this VSTI will start playing without the need to create a track. So okay, you can see there is no track, and if I start, we hear the drums. All right. Okay. The next step is to create the guitar track, and we have to talk to this virtual guitarist. We have to tell him which chord he should play and which style he should play. Okay, we open this virtual instrument, and here again you can see the guitar, and we want to play in D, and we are going to play a D7 harmony. I will play it on the keyboard, and at the same time you will see how this is played on the fret of the guitars here. A D7, and I also add a niner, and I take the A and transpose it to the upper A just to get another sound, another voicing. And I omit the D because the D is played by the bass later, such we have this voicing. Okay, we can switch on the pattern mode now, which is a mode which creates automatically a funk pattern. So you can choose between different patterns. I chose the pattern S13, and it sounds like this. If I play it, just a moment, show you on the guitar. Okay, that's not bad. So we choose this, and all we have to do is just to record the harmony without moving the fingers. I'm going to do this now. Okay, now you can hear the virtual guitarist playing, and if we open the editor, you can see the chord, and oh, there's a mistake. I delete this. All right, such that the virtual guitarist knows what to play. Okay, make it a bit more even. Okay. Okay, now for the bass. we open the virtual bass player, and in this VSTI called broomstick bass, you also can choose different styles, and I choose the funk style, and we can just maybe solid, for example. And with this funk style, automatically a bass is choose the bass guitar which matches this style. And if we now play a D7 chord, this virtual bass player starts playing a pattern which fits, which matches this chord, and you can also change between different variations. Okay, stopping this again. Okay, I record the harmony on the bass track. Okay, here we are. Some adjustments. Okay, it's a bit long. All right. And that's the funk track. Okay, and now we can play around with different styles. We can, for example, change the bass playing style. I will run it in a loop. Some variations. More basic bass pattern. Or something completely different. Oh, I like that. Next variation. Oh, can also have a slap bass, for example. Oh, that's hook synthesizer. Slappy funk, maybe. This is a slate bass. Okay, I think I will take this one. I like this very much. The reggae pattern. I think it was variation 6. Let's try it. Oh, I think that grows very much. Okay. And of course we can also change the guitar playing style just by choosing another pattern. I open the pattern manager, and as you can see, there are loads of alternative funk patterns, and we're just going to play around with them a bit. Okay, going to start it. Okay, maybe the next one. Complicated. Okay, why not? And so on and so on. Okay, and here we are. So what you can do now is, if you want to change the patterns in a way you like, because we are doing, of course, creative work here, you can, for the virtual guitarist, the real strat, you can open the pattern manager and drag the pattern into Cubase. Open it and change it the way you like. You can do the same for the virtual bass player. In Broomstick Bass it's a bit more complicated. I will quickly show you how this is done. You have to open another MIDI track. Let's call it, for example, bass track. And as MIDI in, you use the Broomstick Bass MIDI out port, such that the MIDI notes the virtual bass player plays are output to Cubase and are recorded there. And we have to to disconnect it from the plug-in, and then we are starting the track and are recording here, and then the following will happen. Just open the plug-in. Okay, MIDI output mode is switched on. That's okay. And I will show you what happens if we start playing now. Oh, nothing happens. Ah, MIDI out. All right. But now, come on, do it. Okay. Now you can see here that the bass pattern is recorded, and so on and so on. And again, you can edit it as you like and change some notes if you find that it has to be changed. And last but not least, you of course can also take the virtual drummer and also drag the MIDI pattern. I think it's this pattern. Take it and drag it into Cubase, and then you're also able to alter the drum track according to your needs. Okay, that's it for this time. I was trying to show you how you can create nice funk patterns without the need to be able to play it on the keyboard. Goodbye.